In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your LinkedIn email address. If you want to update the email connected to your LinkedIn account, the process is very straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can do it without confusion. Before you begin, make sure you have access to the new email address you want to use, because LinkedIn will ask you to verify it before you can make it your primary email. To get started, sign into your LinkedIn account and look to the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon to open the account menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn keeps all of the important account and security options. Once you're inside the settings area, look for the section called Sign In and Security. Click on that to open the security-related settings for your account. This section includes options related to how you access LinkedIn, including your email information. Next, select Email Addresses. Here you'll see the email addresses currently connected to your account. If the new email address is not listed yet, click Add Email Address, then type in the new email address you want to use and confirm the action. Make sure you enter it carefully so there are no mistakes, since this is the address LinkedIn will use for account communication and sign-in support. After adding it, LinkedIn will ask you to verify the new email address. Go to your inbox, open the verification message from LinkedIn, and follow the instructions in that email. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder as well. Verification is required, so don't skip this part. Once the new email address has been verified, go back to the Email Addresses section in LinkedIn. You should now have the option to set that email as your primary address. Select that option so LinkedIn knows this is the main email you want associated with your account. After the new address has been set as primary, you can remove your previous email address if you no longer want it connected to the account. Just make sure the new one is fully active as the primary email before removing the old one, so you don't run into any access issues later. And that's it. That's how to change your LinkedIn email address quickly and safely.